What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. The best trading strategy kept simple. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So as you can see here, we're looking at GBP, JPY, and you can see we've been catching buys for a very long time. But we're going to be breaking down these trades right here. This right here was a nice, huge 1-to-5 ratio, and I have another position here that I'm currently up 3 times my risk. So that means whatever I risked, I made 5 times my amount on this trade, and then 3 times my amount on this trade. So for example, if I risked $100, I made $500. If I risked $100 here, I made $300. If I risked $1,000 here, I made $5,000. If I risked $1,000 here, I made $3,000 off these trades alone. And you can also see that not only did we break this down during the Sunday chart analysis at the beginning of the week, but we also broke this down during the London session live. And of course, you know, me and the members hopped in this and we ate. Again, you can see the date, you can see the entry, SLs, TPs getting hit, the reactions, all that good stuff. And as you can see, we've been killing it all. As you can see, we've been killing it all week. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter one to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So now let's hop on the charts and explain why we went for buys and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing I always tell my members and students is you want to identify the trend. Again, you want to identify the trend on the bigger time frames though. A lot of mistakes people make is they try to identify a trend on a smaller time frame, and the reason why I don't recommend that is because smaller time frame is not going to tell you what price is going to be doing overall or the direction is going overall. It's just telling and explaining what price is doing at that exact moment. So as we can see here by looking at the trend, we're clearly in an uptrend showing bullish momentum. So since we're in an uptrend, everything showing us buys, you only want to go for buys. Just like if it was in a downtrend, no matter what, you want to continue to look for sells until price shows you otherwise. Now, if you don't understand those signs of a reversal or trend continuing, make sure to pause this video and check out the one that just popped up on your screen, because it's very important to understand how the charts work and what price is doing, because when you have a full understanding of what price is doing and why it's doing it, you're going to be a lot more cool kind of collecting your trade setups, but it's also going to give you a better chance to go for the right decision. So since we know that we were looking for buys and we're in the uptrend, now we just got to mark out for key price levels and wait for our confirmations, right? So now that we have our marked up charts, we can see things a lot more clearly. Again, we had this huge bullish momentum that we've been riding, price pushing to the upside. Then we had this retracement here, and we see price respected this level as support. Now, since price respected this level as support, then again, we want to look for either buys here, which we caught, and now we need to see if price can break this resistance level, treat as support, which would give us that higher high. So now is when we go into the smaller time frames and wait for our confirmations, right? So the first entry was on Monday. We hit about TP2, TP3, then we got wicked out, and then we re-entered the next day. Once price broke back above this level and started holding in that support, we re-entered. Then again, it was kind of low volume, but after the news and after Wednesday started to pop off, as you can see, price started to fly and push to the upside. Again, this is why you have to have your SL in place and you have your TPs, and this is why it's important to go with the flow of price, because even though price was slow and low volume here, look, it still went up way more than it went down. Even though price rejected this level after a couple TPs, guess what? the move up was still way bigger than the move down. This is why it's so important to follow the flow of price and identify the trend. And this doesn't just work on DJ, this works on all charts. It works on golds, metals, indices, anything that has candlesticks. This is how you use these charts. This is how it works. So y'all enjoy this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. If you're interested in joining the advanced play series, don't miss out on these pips, man. We've been killing it. Y'all saw the record we had last month, the last quarter. And if you're interested on how to identify these levels, my mentorship programs, I do got the course as well as the one-on-one sessions. Definitely recommend that, because again, we're not just going over a trading strategy. I always talk about the charts. Again, no indicators, nothing like that. It's simply just understanding market structure and the rules of price. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.